Hey guys, this is how to fix Google Play games are not working or not connecting error. So let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply uninstall your Google Play games and then again install it with a stable internet connection. If the problem persists, then you just need to tap and hold on your Google Play games. Click on the app info, click on clear storage and cache. First click on the clear cache, then click on the storage and then OK. The next method is to simply check that the network connection that you are using must be stable and supportive to your Google Play games. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just change it and then turn it to the Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data and then turn on your airplane mode for a couple of the minutes in order to restart the router of your internet connection. Right after that, you have to just again open your Google Play games and this time your problem will be fixed. And that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.